to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and that in all circumstances I will be right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me.